The formation of the solar system and its objects. The solar system formed about 4.6 billion years ago from a cloud of gas and dust in the universe. According to the modern planetary formation model, this cloud of gas and dust began to collapse due to the force of gravity and formed a spinning disk. In this disk, dust and gas particles continue to collapse and form larger objects. The first objects to form in this disk were dwarf planets and other small bodies. These objects were influenced by the gravity of the Sun and other objects, and they moved on their own orbits. During this process, these objects could collide with each other and merge into larger objects. Meanwhile, the remaining dust and gas in the disk continue to collapse and form giant planets. These planets had greater mass and were influenced by the gravity of the Sun, creating a void space around them. Smaller objects, such as comets and non-planet objects, continue to move in this space. During the formation process, planets and other objects in the solar system underwent many collision and separation events. These events created empty spaces and deposits on planets and other objects, and caused the differences between planets and other objects in the solar system. Currently, the solar system consists of the Sun and its dwarf planets, giant planets, comets, dust, and gas. Each object in the solar system has its own characteristics and contributes to creating a complex and diverse system in the universe. The Sun is the center of the solar system and the main source of energy for all planets and objects in the system. The energy of the Sun is generated by the process of nuclear fusion, in which the atomic nuclei of hydrogen combine to form helium and energy. The planets in the solar system are divided into two types: inner planets and outer planets. Inner planets are the planets closest to the Sun, including Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars. These planets have common characteristics such as solid surfaces, greater mass than other objects in the solar system, and thin or no atmosphere. Outer planets are the planets farther from the Sun, including Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, and dwarf planets such as Pluto. These planets have common characteristics such as gas or ice surfaces, greater mass than other objects in the solar system, and thick atmospheres. In addition to planets, the solar system also has objects such as comets, non-planet objects, and other smaller objects. Comets are objects that have a star-like tail shape and move on long, curved orbits in the solar system. Non-planet objects include stars, natural satellites, and smaller objects such as ice objects and rock objects. Throughout the formation and development of the solar system, scientists have studied and discovered many interesting things about the solar system and the universe. These studies and discoveries will continue to be conducted to help us understand more about the universe and life on Earth. The formation and evolution of the solar system have been studied through various scientific methods, including observations, computer simulations, and sample return missions. These studies have provided insights into the early stages of the solar system, the formation of planets and other objects, and the processes that have shaped the solar system over time. One important event in the history of the solar system is the Late Heavy Bombardment, which occurred about 4 billion years ago. During this period, the inner solar system was bombarded by a large number of asteroids and comets, which caused significant changes to the surfaces of planets and other objects. The cause of this event is still debated among scientists, but some theories suggest that it was triggered by the migration of giant planets or by the disruption of a nearby star. Another important event